In this video, we will see how we can use digital multimeter as an ammeter. Ammeter is used for measurement of current and it is connected in series. So here, this is the common terminal of this digital multimeter, and this is the voltage source. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal, and these are the elements which are connected in series. So first of all, let's connect this wire. Let's connect this common wire here and this red wire here. This is for measurement of current. Then this red wire, it is called as probe. We will connect it here. From here we can vary the voltage value. First we will put the voltage value to 0. Now as we can see, we have connected the digital multimeter in series with this circuit. Now we want to measure the current. As we can see, this is a DC voltage source. That means the current will be in DC. Here we can see this range is used for measurement of current. So these two lines indicate DC, that is direct current. Here we can use 2000 microampere current, then 20 milliampere current, then 200 milliampere, and then 10 ampere. So we have to put the knob to 10 ampere. Now we will turn on the voltage source. So let's put this to 10 volt. Now we are not getting any value, so let's decrease this again. Now here, since we put the ammeter on wrong range, so this ammeter is now damaged. So we have to replace the multimeter. Again we will do the connection. Now this time we will go in reverse order from 10 ampere, then 200, then 20. If we go to this range, that is 2000 microampere, then this ammeter or this digital multimeter will get damaged. So the current flowing through this circuit is 7.48 ampere. Remember that when we want to measure the current, we have to connect the digital multimeter in series and we have to go from higher current rating to lower current rating, that is from 10, then 200 milliampere, then 20 milliampere, then 2000 microampere. Otherwise, if we go on wrong range, then the ammeter may get damaged. So this is how we can use the digital multimeter for measurement of current.